Introduction to AI for document organization.
Tired of messy folders and lost files? Modern AI tools can automatically sort, rename, and categorize your digital documents, saving you time and hassle. In this guide, we'll explore how to leverage these solutions to streamline your workflow and keep your files systematically organized with minimal effort.
Choosing the right AI tool.
Start by selecting an AI productivity tool that matches your needs. Popular options like Google Drive with add-ons, Microsoft OneDrive, and dedicated apps like DocuWare or M-Files offer automation features. Look for solutions that support automatic classification, smart folder creation, and batch renaming based on content. Most tools provide user-friendly interfaces, making setup easy even for beginners.
Setting up document sorting rules.
Many tools let you create conditions that analyze file names, types, or content. For example, invoices can automatically move to finance folders and contracts to legal folders. Use sample files to test your settings and ensure documents are accurately categorized every time they are uploaded or created.
Automating file naming and tagging.
AI can also rename files and assign tags for faster searching. Enable features that process document content, extracting dates, client names, or keywords to generate consistent file names. Tagging documents by project, department, or urgency makes retrieval simple. Regularly check automated suggestions to improve accuracy and refine your settings as needed.
Monitoring and fine-tuning your system.
Review your AI organized folders periodically to ensure optimal performance. Most tools provide reports or activity logs so you can see how documents are being handled. Adjust rules or retrain AI if files consistently end up in incorrect locations. With continuous fine-tuning, your document management system will become more precise and efficient over time.
Conclusion: streamline your productivity.
Adopting AI for document organization saves time and reduces clutter. By configuring the right tools, setting up smart rules, and periodically reviewing performance, you ensure that your digital workspace remains tidy and accessible. Start automating today and focus on what matters most in your work.